In healthy people, all sensations, movements, thoughts, memories, and feelings are the result of signals that pass through billions of neurons in the brain. These neurons are interconnected to form a network. The connection, known as synapses, enables the transmission of information from one neuron to another. Alzheimer's disease destroys the neuron and their connection in part of the brain involved in memory. Studies have shown the reason for Alzheimer's as the presence of lesions known as senile plaque composed of beta amyloid protein and neurofibrillary tangles composed of tau protein. These proteins help cells to attach to one another and keep strong. But in Alzheimer's, these proteins somehow become abnormal and tau protein accumulates, forming tangles inside neurons, and beta amyloid clump into plaques which slowly build up between the neurons and destroys the neurons and their connections in part of the brain involved in memory. The clumping may be because of a mix of age, genetics, and poor heart health. Tau and beta amyloid are not the only factors involved in Alzheimer's. Other changes that affect the brain may also play a role over time. The vascular system may fail to deliver sufficient blood and nutrients to the brain. The brain may lack the glucose needed to power its activity. Eventually, the neurons lose their ability to communicate. The area of the brain to be affected by the Alzheimer's is the hippocampus. The hippocampus controls aspects of our memory and navigation. So forgetfulness and getting lost is the first symptom of Alzheimer's. As more neurons die throughout the brain, a person with Alzheimer's gradually loses the ability to think, remember, make decisions, and function independently. There is no cure for Alzheimer's, but there are treatments to slow the progression of the disease.